Hey guys, so for this tutorial I'm going to be using my yarn, which is from a brand called Omoreko, and this is a lightweight yarn, so you can use any lightweight yarn of your choice. I'm also going to be using my size 3.5mm hook and my scissors. So to get started, I'm going to be working in two panels, the front and the back panel. So we're going to start with the waistband. So all you need to do is measure around your waist and divide that by 2. So my waist is 34 divided by 2, which is 17 inches. So the front panel and the back panel, the waistband of the front panel and the back panel will be 17 inches each. So we're just going to start by working on the waistband. So I'm just going to start by making a chain of 15. Now chain 1. In the first stitch, go in with 1/2 double crochet. Yarn over, going to the next stitch and pull through. You have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over, going to the next stitch, pull through. You have 3 loops. Pull through all 3 loops. So you're just putting 1/2 double crochet in each stitch till you get to the end of the row. Now I'm at the end of the row. Chain 1 and turn over. Put 1/2 double crochet in each stitch. So you're just going to be working 1/2 double crochet in each stitch back and forth till you have the measurement you want. So I'll just keep on doing this till I have a total of 17 inches. So remember, you're working in two panels, and this is just going to be the front panel. The back panel is going to be exactly the same thing I do for the front panel. So just put 1/2 double crochet in each stitch back and forth till you have the measurement you want. So I did a total of 55 rows of half double crochet, and this is about 18 inches when stretched and 14 inches when you're not stretching the waistband. Now what you want to do is you want to put 1 single crochet in each stitch along the waistband, and you're going to make sure the amount of single crochets you have is in multiples of 12 plus 9. So just put 1 single crochet in each stitch. So I have a total of 81 single crochets, which is multiples of 12 plus 9. That's 12 times 6 plus 9. So now for the second row, chain 1, turn over. In the first stitch, go in with 2 double crochets. Now put 1 double crochet in the rest of the stitches till you get to the end of the row. Now I've come to the end of the row. For the third row, start by chaining 1. In the first 10 stitches, go in with 1 double crochet. Sorry guys. So in this first stitch, you're going to do an increase. So go in with 2 double crochets. Now in the next 9 stitches, go in with 1 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So you're supposed to have a total of 11 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now for the next 3 stitches, you're going to work with the front post. So yarn over and go into the front post of the next stitch. Yarn over, going to the front post of the next stitch. I have 2, yarn over and go into the third stitch, yarn over and pull through. I have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So I have 3 double crochets in the front post of the 3 stitches. Now in the next 9 stitches, go in with 1 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. On the front post of the next 3 stitches, go in with 1 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Now put 1 double crochet in the next 9 stitches. So you're just going to repeat this till you get to the end of the row. You're alternating between 1 double crochet in 9 stitches and 1 double crochet in the next 3 on the front post of the next 3 stitches. So at the beginning of the row, you're going to have 11 double crochets, and at the end of the row, you're going to end up with 11 double crochets. But for the double crochet stitches between the posts, you're going to have 9 double crochets. I've come to the end of the 3rd row. In the last stitch, go in with 2 double crochets. Chain 1, turn over. In the first stitch, go in with 2 double crochets. Now put 1 double crochet in each stitch till you get to the post stitch. Now what you want to do is you want to go into the back post because the post is facing the back, so you're just going to yarn over and go into the back post with 1 double crochet. Yarn over, go into the next back post with 1 double crochet and go into the last back post with 1 double crochet. Now put 1 double crochet in the next 9 stitches till you get to the next post. I've come to the post stitch. Go into the back post of the next 3 stitches. Yarn over, go into the first one with 1 double crochet. Go into the next one with 1 double crochet. And the last one with 1 double crochet. Now continue with 1 double crochet in the next 9 stitches. You're just going to continue with this till you get to the end of the row, and then you're going to do your increase. Now at the end of the 4th row, in the last stitch, go in with 2 double crochets. Chain 1, turn over. For the 5th row, I'm not going to be doing any increase. So for this skirt, I'm only going to be doing 3 rows of increase because this can fit my hips perfectly well, but if your hips is bigger, you can do more rows of increase, or you can even skip the increase and just continue without doing any increase. It depends on your measurement, but for mine, I'm just doing 3 rows of increase, and that's okay for me. So from here on, I'm not going to be doing any increase. Already chained one, so turn over. On the first stitch, go in with 1 double crochet. Now continue with 1 double crochet in each stitch till you get to where the post stitch is. Now in the front post, go in with 1 double crochet, go into the next front post with a double crochet, and the next one with a double crochet. Now continue with 1 double crochet in each stitch till you get to the next post. So you're just going to continue with this till you have the length you want for the skirt. All you need to do is put 1 double crochet in 9 stitches, and when you get to the post, go into the post stitch with double crochet. So if is the front post, go into the front post, and when is the back post, you're going to go into the back post. Continue with this till you have the length you desire for the skirt, which I'll let you know how many rows I have when I get the length I want. But for now, just keep alternating between the post stitch and the double crochet stitch. So now I'm done with both panels, and I did a total of 50 rows, which you can make longer or shorter. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stitch the 2 sides of the panels together. So to stitch both sides, you're going to flip this to the back. So this is going to be the back, or you can make this the front depending on which side you prefer. Now you're going to use your needle or your hook to stitch all the way down, and I'm just going to do this, and then I'll show you guys the end result of the skirt.